All right, here we go. We're going in the water. Colin, go ahead and jump on. And it's July 5th. We tried to come out yesterday, but we got a flat tire on our trailer. So me and Colin just made it out here. So we're gonna go for a ride.
So guys, here we go. Back in your road. Goodbye. Farewell. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So where are we going today?
I don't know. Let's go to Sandy Cove. Well, we made it to Sandy Cove. Be cold? Grass?
Yeah. It's all looking when I'm standing, so I just keep sinking. There we go. You and your diaper.
That's great. Look at me. I'm floating. Give us some gas, honey. Here we are, riding on Lake Mead, me and my boy, living in Las Vegas, baby. Woo! Here we go, big one. Coming in. Coming up on Calville Bay. This is another launch ramp here out at Lake Mead. This is kind of where the people that live in North Las Vegas come to launch their boats.
I mean, like park over there?
Yeah, we'll hit up the sand, see if we got any signal. Or if you want to stop right now, we'll see if we have any signal. Hold on. Let it kind of do its thing. All right, cool. All right, we're out at Kingman Wash. Colin's about to go rip it by himself. Have fun, bud. He tried to get me back. Freaking love that kid. Whole bunch of people out here tent camping, chilling. Out at Kingman Wash. Good little spot to come. There's no entry fee, so you don't have to pay. There he goes. Really rocky. And it just drops. Look at my feet, they just sink. But this stuff sucks. People leaving beer bottles out here. Take your trash. Oh man, I'll be taking that. It's a nice little freebie right there. Extra key to the ski. Bonus. Time to float. And you can see him in the distance. He's like way out there. He's coming in hot. Underwater. Here comes Carl. I'm about to go underwater too. It's hot. I'm burning. Now I'm floating. Yeah. Nice. Here comes Edward. Ah. Look what I found. I know, we have two now. Huh?
Definitely not.
Why? It'll fit.
Oh, well. This is Yamaha.
You give it to Craig. Should we take him over to the Hoover Dam?
Sure.
All right, let's do it.
See what I lost?
Your hat.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, okay. Desert Princess. Go all the way up to where it says no more. Wow, look at that guy. He's cruising.
Yeah, me unlock that.
Alright, go. There she is. Here's the Hoover Dam and the Memorial Bridge. It's about as close as we can get because they have these buoys. Restricted area, keep out, but
Anyway, I want to see what speed it's going. 10 miles per hour.
yeah, nothing. Alright. Watch out, yeah, go right in the middle.
Cut you off. Cut you off.
Maybe to the left. That's cool with the mountain. There you go. Alright, let's just head back. Like a little RV place right over there. So if you got an RV, you can rent a spot. And then you got Boulder City up there. We're headed back to Las Vegas Harbor, which is about, I don't know, about a mile or 2 miles that way. Right over there is where they drop all the fish from the fish hatchery. It looks like a bridge to nowhere. They drop the fish, but they're not dropping right now, so hopefully one of these days we catch it, we can show you guys. Alright guys, we just finished up out here at Lake Mead. We're at Las Vegas Harbor, we're loading up. Hope you guys enjoyed coming out with us. We went to Sandy Cove, we went to Kingman Wash, and we took you to the Hoover Dam. So if you like this video, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Say bye, Cole.